If you've ever spent hours sanding boards by hand or fighting with a belt sander that just can't keep up, you know the frustration. A drum sander can transform your woodworking, giving you glass smooth surfaces, perfect thickness, and consistent results every single time. But here's the catch: not all drum sanders are created equal. Some excel at precision, others at heavy-duty stock removal, and a few manage to do both without breaking the bank. Stick around, because in this video we're going to break down the very best drum sanders available in 2025, and I promise, the last one on the list has a feature you probably didn't even know existed. Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, the channel where we make smart tool buying simple. Today, we're diving into the top 5 drum sanders that can take your woodworking from good to flawless. All the models we'll cover are available right now on Amazon, and I've handpicked them based on performance, reliability, and overall value. Whether you're building cabinets, refinishing tabletops, or working on live edge slabs, this guide will help you choose the perfect machine for your needs and budget. So, let's get right into it.
Powermatic PM2244 Drum Sander. The Powermatic PM2244 is a premium, professional-grade drum sander designed for those who demand absolute precision. With a 22-inch capacity and a powerful 1 3/4 HP motor, it handles everything from delicate veneers to heavy hardwood planks. Its standout feature is the exclusive closed-loop dual LED control panel, which continuously monitors drum speed and load to prevent gouging and burning. Pros include exceptional build quality, an incredibly accurate digital readout for table height, and a smooth, quiet operation. Cons? Well, it's on the heavier and pricier side, so it's more of a workshop fixture than a portable tool. This model is perfect for professional cabinet makers and serious woodworkers who need flawless repeatability in their sanding. Interesting fact: the conveyor belt tracking is fully automatic, which means less time fiddling and more time sanding. Price range? Definitely premium, but worth it if precision is your priority.
Jet JWDS 1632 Drum Sander. If the Powermatic feels like overkill for your shop, the Jet JWDS 1632 might be your perfect match. This 16-inch open-end sander features a 1.5 HP motor and can sand boards up to 32 inches wide in 2 passes. The tool-free conveyor belt tensioning system makes adjustments a breeze, while the parallelism adjust dial ensures even sanding from edge to edge. It's compact yet powerful, making it great for small to mid-sized shops. Pros: easy to use, relatively compact footprint, and a smart dust hood design that keeps the workspace cleaner. Cons: while it's capable, it's not ideal for extremely heavy stock removal. Best for hobbyists, furniture makers, and smaller professional setups. Little known fact: the drum is made of precision machined aluminum, which helps dissipate heat and extend sandpaper life. Shop Fox W1853 Open-End Drum Sander, 18-inch. Shop Fox delivers a surprisingly solid performer with the W1853, an 18-inch open-end model that can handle workpieces up to 36 inches wide in 2 passes. It has a 1.5 HP motor, variable feed speed, and an easy-to-read depth gauge. The open-end design gives it a big advantage for oversized panels and tabletops. Pros: budget-friendly for its class, easy belt changes, and a sturdy steel frame. Cons: feed rate adjustments can be a bit sensitive, and it's slightly louder than some competitors. This is a great choice for the budget-conscious woodworker who still wants the versatility of a drum sander. Fun fact: the sanding drum height can be fine-tuned to within thousandths of an inch, which is rare at this price point. Grizzly G1066Z Drum Sander. The Grizzly G1066Z is a serious workhorse, boasting dual 6-inch drums and a 5 HP motor. Yes, that's right, double the drums. This setup allows you to run 2 different grits at the same time, saving you a ton of passes. It's built for high-volume, heavy-duty work, making it a favorite for production shops. Pros: incredible sanding speed, robust cast iron construction, and the ability to tackle wide stock in 1 pass. Cons: it's massive, heavy, and overkill for small projects. Best for large-scale furniture builders or millwork operations. Interesting fact: the dual drum design not only saves time but also reduces heat buildup, which helps prevent burning on sensitive woods. SuperMax Tools Drum Sander. Finally, we have the SuperMax Tools Drum Sander, a favorite among serious hobbyists and small shops. This machine offers a clever combination of compact size and impressive power, with a 1 3/4 HP motor and a 19-inch drum. The key feature here is the IntelliSand technology, which automatically adjusts the feed rate to prevent overload and ensure a consistent finish. Pros: user-friendly controls, quick paper changes, and excellent dust collection. Cons: Feed rollers can be finicky if not kept clean. This is ideal for anyone who wants pro-level results in a smaller footprint. Little known fact: SuperMax's conveyor system is designed to handle delicate thin stock without damaging it. Before you buy a drum sander, here are a few tips to make sure you choose the right one. First, capacity matters. Open-end models can sand wider boards in 2 passes, but closed-end models tend to be more rigid and precise. Second, consider motor power. More horsepower means faster material removal, but it also means a heavier and larger machine. Third, look at feed rate adjustability. Variable speed can help you fine-tune for different woods and finishes. Fourth, dust collection is crucial. Drum sanders produce a lot of fine dust, so make sure yours has an effective hood and port system. And finally, think about space and mobility. Some models are stationary behemoths, while others can be moved around your shop as needed. A well-chosen drum sander should fit your workflow, your space, and your production needs. All the drum sanders we've covered today are linked in the description, so you can check Amazon for the latest prices and deals. If this guide helped you, hit that subscribe button and join the tool mentorship community for more honest, in-depth tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother surfaces and better builds. See you in the next video.